Okay. So I've resoldered these connections on these switches in this particular case, and even these screws were installed wrong, now that I look at them. So we're going to just transfer over the, yeah, somebody's really, so this longer screw is supposed to go over here and this shorter screw is over here. What we'll do is transfer over, I've had to make a new bracket that doesn't have this extension on it. So I made this shorter one, or different one. So essentially, it's just take the switch off, put the switch on the new one. Don't drop the screws. And we'll take the short screw out of that one. For some reason, somebody hastily put this back together or something. The screws are swapped. We'll insert if you're interested, the thread pitch on these it's a number 2, 64 teeth per inch. Good old American, a number 2, 64. If you ever need to look for screws that may have gotten lost, or if you want to replace or stripped or whatever. So that's back on to the new bracket. So we'll set aside the old bracket. So you can see here, same thing. It always takes me a while because I got to flip it. There we go. So we'll be taking the switches off of this bracket and putting on this bracket, which doesn't have this long tab sticking out. And try to get, oh, I think I got it. And we'll get this other long screw in here. The major adjustment on these switches is at the plate itself. Getting these attached, there is no real adjustment back and forth. That's why this slot is there, for moving things in and out to get your switches to operate correctly. So that's putting the switches from the original plate onto the new plates that are supplied with the kit.